Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 14th May and we'll start with the highlights of today's presentation. Conditions are favorable for the advance of southwest monsoon over parts of South Bay Bengal, Andaman Sea and Andaman and Nicobar Islands around 16th May. Then heat wave to severe heat wave conditions likely to prevail over northwest and central India during many days of the week. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over northwest India during the week and over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and also over Kerala and South Interior Karnataka during next 4 to 5 days. Now we'll see the observed weather during past 24 hours. Heavy rainfall that is 7 to 11 centimeter has been recorded at isolated places over Odisha, Meghalaya and North Interior Karnataka. Very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim also reported. Then thunderstorm accompanied with squally or gusty wind speeds where wind speed reached 50 to 130 km per hour reported from Madhya Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Bihar, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Haryana, Chandigarh and also Delhi, Punjab, Odisha, Saurashtra, Kutch, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chhattisgarh, Marathwada, East Madhya Pradesh, North Interior Karnataka, Kerala and also over Madhya Maharashtra. And with wind speeds 30 to 50 km per hour prevailed at isolated places over Gangetic West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, West Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Konkan and Goa, Gujarat region, East Rajasthan, Telangana at South Interior Karnataka. And hailstorm also reported from one or two places over Jammu and Kashmir, from Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, West Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, also Delhi, East Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada. Heat wave to severe heat wave conditions reported from Saurashtra and Kutch and heat wave conditions reported from Vidarbha, West Rajasthan, East Rajasthan, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, West Madhya Pradesh and warm night conditions reported from West Madhya Pradesh. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing of our region. Conditions are favorable for the advance of southwest monsoon over parts of South Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea and Andaman and Nicobar Islands around 16th May. Yesterday's well-marked low pressure area over southwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal persisted over the same region at 8:30 hours IST of today, the 14th May, and the associated cyclonic circulation extends up to 5.8 km over mean sea level. Then there are a few upper air cyclonic circulation, one over North Interior Karnataka, another over West Uttar Pradesh and neighborhood, another over East Uttar Pradesh and neighborhood, and then another over Southeast Madhya Pradesh and neighborhood. Then there is a east-west trough running from upper air cyclonic circulation over Southeast Madhya Pradesh to Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim in lower tropospheric levels. And then there is also an upper air cyclonic circulation over East Bangladesh and neighborhood at the lower tropospheric levels. Also, a fresh feeble western disturbance is likely to affect northeast India from the 15th May, that is tomorrow onwards. Now we'll see the forecast of daytime temperatures or maximum temperatures for next 7 days. So gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade likely over northwest India till 17th and no significant change during 18th to 20th May. Gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over central India till 16th and no significant change on during 17th to 20th May. Gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade likely over East India till 16th and no significant change on during 17th to 20 May. No significant change in maximum temperatures likely over Gujarat till 14th and then gradual fall by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade during 15th to 17th, and after that there will be no significant change during last 2 days. Gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees likely over Maharashtra till 16th and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during 17th to 20th May. Rest part of the country there will be no significant change in maximum daytime temperature during next 7 days. Now we'll see the subdivision-wise weather warning for day 1. Orange warning for heat wave is given for West Rajasthan, Saurashtra and Kutch, also over Western Madhya Pradesh and also over Vidarbha. All these places heat wave warning is given along with over West Rajasthan and Vidarbha, warm night condition also possible. Apart from that, yellow warning for heat wave is given for East Rajasthan, Gujarat region, also Marathwada and Madhya Maharashtra and also over East Uttar Pradesh. All these places yellow warning for heat wave warning is given. Apart from that, orange warning for hailstorm activity along with thunderstorm and gusty or squally wind speed warning is given for Karnataka, Interior Karnataka, both these places for today. Also from Odisha, and thunderstorm and lightning warning is given for Odisha. Orange warning for heavy to very heavy rainfall along with the thunderstorm activity is given for Andaman and Nicobar Island and also over Assam and Meghalaya. All these places orange warning given. Heavy rainfall warning is given also for Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. There are 1 or 2 places may experience heavy rainfall. Apart from that, thunderstorm activity along with lightning and gusty wind speed warning is given for Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, also over East Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, West Rajasthan, and Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Lakshadweep, Kerala, and also over Andhra Pradesh state and interior Karnataka. All these regions, this thunderstorm warning is given. Now for day 2, heat wave warning is given. That is orange warning is given for West Rajasthan and also over West Madhya Pradesh. Apart from that, heat wave warning, yellow warning is given for Saurashtra and Kutch, also over Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, and all these places yellow warning. And over Rajasthan, West Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh is orange warning for heat wave conditions. Then for heavy rainfall and thunderstorm activity, orange warning is issued for Andaman and Nicobar Island. For thunderstorm, hailstorm and gusty to squally wind speeds warning, orange warning issued for the north interior Karnataka. And heavy rainfall warning, yellow warning is given for Kerala, Tamil Nadu, south interior Karnataka, and also over northeastern states such as Assam, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh, and also over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. Apart from that, yellow warning is issued for thunderstorm, lightning, and gusty to squally wind speed activity, mostly for Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh state, and interior Karnataka, also over Kerala and interior Maharashtra. All these places, thunderstorm warning is also given. For day 3, orange warning for heat wave continue over West Rajasthan and also over Western Madhya Pradesh, warm night condition also warning is given. Apart from that, a heat wave warning is given for Punjab, Haryana, and also over Uttar Pradesh and also over East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, also over Konkan and Goa coast, and Telangana. All these places yellow warning for heat wave related conditions. And if you talk about thunder squall and where wind speeds may reach more than 60 km per hour along with thunderstorms, lightning, all this warning is given for Bihar, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, and also Andaman and Nicobar Islands. All these places orange warning is given. Apart from that, isolated heavy rainfall warning is also given for Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, also over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and southern interior Karnataka. All these places yellow warning. And thunderstorm related activity warning continues over Jammu Kashmir, also over eastern states such as Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and also South Peninsular India, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, interior Karnataka, Rayalaseema, Kerala, and also over northeastern states. Thunderstorm warning continues. For day 4, orange warning for heat wave continues over West Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh, and apart from that, adjoining areas such as Punjab, Haryana, East Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, and also Vidarbha, Telangana, and Chhattisgarh, isolated heat wave warning is also issued, all in yellow color. For thunderstorm and lightning and gusty to squally wind speeds, orange warning issued for Jharkhand and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, where Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and also heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places, warning is given. Over Andaman and Nicobar Island also, orange warning issued. That will continue for day 5 also. For thunderstorm, lightning, thunder squally winds, also heavy to very heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places. It will continue for day 5 also. Apart from that, heavy rainfall warning at Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, and southern states such as Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and South India Karnataka. All these places, isolated heavy rainfall warning is given. Yellow warning is issued. For day 5, the orange warning for West Rajasthan continues for heat wave and adjoining areas such as Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. All these places, isolated heat wave warning is issued, yellow color. and yellow warning is issued for that. Orange warning for thunderstorm activity with gusty to squally wind speeds, and the lightning is issued for Jharkhand, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and also for Assam and Meghalaya, where Assam, Meghalaya and Andaman and Nicobar Islands may experience heavy rainfall also at one or two places. Heavy rainfall warning is also given for Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, and Tamil Nadu also for day 5. For day 6 and day 7, the orange warning for heat wave and warm night continues for West Rajasthan. Apart from central parts of the country and northwestern parts of the country, this heat wave warning continues for day 6 and day 7 also. Heavy rainfall warning restricts only to the Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, and also over Tamil Nadu only for day 6. Yellow warning issued for all these regions. Impact expected and action suggested due to the heat wave or severe heat wave conditions. High temperature and increased likelihood of heat illness symptoms in people who are either exposed to sun for a prolonged period or doing heavy work. Moderate temperature and heat is tolerable for general public, but moderate health concern likely for vulnerable people, infants, elderly, people with chronic diseases. Avoid heat exposure. Wear lightweight, light color, loose and cotton clothes. Cover your head. Use a cloth, hat or umbrella. Drink sufficient water even if not thirsty. That's all for today. More detail you can have from our website mausam.md.gov.in. Namaskar. Jai Hind.